everyone, welcome to my channel Ageless Learning. Today we will be learning about how to save the space on your devices using Google Drive. But before that, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It is very useful and efficient service to free up the space in our devices and uploading the data on the drive. It allows users to store, share, and synchronize files across devices. It provides users with a 15 GB of free data. Google Drive comprises of Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Sheets, which are a part of Google Office suite. Let's see how to upload the files on the Google Drive. For this, first of all, you have to log in into your Google account. I have already logged in. The 9 dots you see here are Google Apps. You have to go to the Google Apps. You will find the Google Drive icon here. Click on this and you will enter into the Google Drive. Now you can see that I have already uploaded few of the files. So for uploading a new file, what I can do is I will go to this new option. Here I will find many options. For example, I can create a new folder here. If I want to create a folder or I want to make a folder of similar files or files of a similar event, I can create a new folder and put all the files there. Also, I can upload a single file and I can also upload entire folder from my mobile or my computer, laptop, anything. So I am here uploading a single file. I'm just showing you. So this is, for example, I am uploading this file. See here, the uploading has started. See, now it has been uploaded. To view this file, simply double click it and this file will open up. So if you want to download this file again, you can simply download or print this file, and there are 3 dots of more action here. So we will go to this share and it will create a link here. Get the link. It will create a link. We will simply copy the link here and we can paste it to anywhere we want to share. For example, if I want to share it on WhatsApp or email or messaging, anywhere we want to share, we can just paste that link and we can open. Remember, there are few settings here which we have to do before sending. See, it is saying editors can change permissions and share, and viewers can comment, commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. So from here I can copy the link and paste it wherever I want to send this link so that the person can access this link and view the picture. I can also restrict this link. See, from here I will go and restrict it. So after restriction, if anybody wants to access this file, they have I will get an email notification which will say that this person has requested the access, and if I want, I can grant the access, otherwise I can deny also. Now I am done. I have already copied the link and we will go to WhatsApp. Here I will paste it and send. See, this is the different browser, and here I was logged in Google Chrome with different ID, and in this Safari I am logged in with different ID. So it means 2 persons are using it. One is sending, one is receiving this file. So I am now at the receiver end and I want to access this file. See, if I want to access, I will simply click on this link and this picture I can view. So this is the procedure. We can free up the space in our devices and upload the files on the Google Drive, which will save a lot of space, and we can use them or access them whenever we want. Also, if I make the access restricted, so I will get a messages similar to this on my email. It would say the subject as request for access, and it will say this person is requesting access to following image. So if I want to allow access, I will have to change the settings from here, and see, I can allow viewer or commenter, and then I can send, and then the person can open up the picture. And in the same way, you can upload your data from mobile phones as well. Thank you everyone. I hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, happy learning. We'll be back with a new topic. Bye bye.